The Shiba Inu ecosystem has been quite busy for a while now, with exciting activities and developments being introduced regularly. However, while the community has been excited about the activities and developments, they have also been waiting for more updates on Shibarium. Well, it looks like Shytoshi finally has something to say about it, and we'll be talking about that in today's video. Disclaimer: before we get into the main news, let's talk a bit about what has been happening. The most recent update is that another top exchange is looking to list Shiba Inu's bone. UOB Global, one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, just recently announced that it plans to list bone. And this is coming after another huge exchange, OKX, listed the bone token following its community's decision at the polls. UOB users should now be able to trade the bone/USDT pair and exchange their bone on the platform. Considering that bone is the only gas fee for Shiba Inu Shibarium, it is definitely a big deal that more big exchanges are listing the token. This way, more people are able to access and acquire bone, which could translate into more activities on Shibarium when it eventually gets launched. OKX and Huobi are not the only big exchanges that are interested in bone though. Apparently, Binance US, the US arm of the biggest exchange in the world, has mentioned that it will eventually list bone. As you must recall, Binance recently moved Shib out of the innovation zone, which signifies that it no longer considers Shib a risky asset. Listing another Shiba Inu token just seems like the logical next step at this point, but we'll have to wait and see. Bone has been responding positively to all the mentions and updates. In just 24 hours, the price of the token rallied by more than 5% and its trading volume jumped by more than 95% in the same frame of time. It would be interesting to see how the token would respond once Shibarium is launched. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. Alright, to the main news. As I mentioned earlier, people have been waiting for more updates on Shibarium. PuppyNet, the testnet version of Shibarium, has been doing well so far. There are millions of wallets on it already, and it has already successfully completed millions of transactions. So things look to be good on that end, which seems to be making people want Shibarium to be launched really soon. One person even pointed out on the Telegram group that Shytoshi hasn't published a Shibarium Medium update in a while. For those who were not around at the time, Shytoshi took to publishing a series of Medium articles in the lead up to the beta launch. Those articles gave details about the Shibarium platform, explaining what everything is and what the community's roles are. On the one hand, some people might not have expected any more Medium articles, considering that the beta launch has happened. But on the other hand, some people believe that the articles ought to keep coming until the actual Shibarium is launched. Well, Shytoshi has responded to the complaints. He basically just said that the ecosystem is currently in go mode, not bro mode, mentioning that the ecosystem is currently really busy with activity. According to News BTC, what exactly Kusama means by this can only be speculated. In the last Medium update on Shibarium, he announced that the Layer 2 technology will be released on the mainnets before the end of 2023. However, an exact date is not yet known. The latest comment by Kusama suggests that significant progress is currently being made towards the mainnet launch. Alternatively, it could be that Shytoshi is just alluding to the advancements within the ecosystem. For instance, Bone, the governance token for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, was recently listed by two huge exchanges, which we have already covered. There's also the fact that Kusama recently revealed via a Telegram message that SHIBASWAP 2.0 is in the works and will soon be released. So there's a lot of updates in the ecosystem that Shytoshi could be alluding to. Shytoshi also had an interesting conversation with some community members on Telegram. A number of people were asking him what he has been up to, and true to his nature, Shytoshi's reply was unclear. He wrote, "You need me where I am." This reply did not satisfy people, and one member even told him that he needs to get the community excited every once in a while. To that, Shytoshi replied, "What's more exciting than me being silent AF? Head down, working with an incredible team to do the impossible." Once again, a number of things can be guessed at based on the conversation, but I'll leave you to tell us what your guesses are in the comments section below. Moving on, Shiba Inu seems to be giving its holders a bullish opportunity. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! To start with, Shib's price recently hit an uncomfortable dip, but its one-day support level seems to suggest that a recovery is just around the corner. Plus, according to the 4-hour technical analysis, the Bollinger Bands indicator reveals a reduction in volatility, indicating that the asset's price is confined to a narrow range, signifying a period of consolidation. What's more, according to CoinEdition, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence or MACD indicator shows potential correction, with the MACD line in blue moving above the signal line in red and the histogram heading to positive territory. This move indicates that the bearish momentum may be losing strength, and a possible bullish trend could be forming in the short term, but further analysis is needed to confirm the trend reversal. So you might want to start preparing for that possibility. But this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before making any financial decision. In other news, don't you think it's incredible how Shiba Inu was able to progress from being referred to as a meme token to being respected as an actual cryptocurrency? I initially mentioned how Binance has moved Shib out of the innovation zone because the token is no longer considered a risky investment. And this just goes to show how much work and effort has gone into shaping Shiba Inu into what it is today. A lot of work was actually done on social media by the Shiba Inu community, the most loyal and active community in the crypto market, with the dev team working tirelessly to launch projects that people would find interesting and useful, and the Shiba Inu community hopping on to support and push these projects. The Shiba Inu token was able to shed a lot of zeros and climb up the list of top cryptocurrencies by market cap. As a result, many of those that dismissed Shib as just another meme coin back in the day, some of them even taking to their social media handles to shame people who decided to invest in the token, regretted doing that in hindsight. They lost out on the opportunity to accumulate millions and even billions by just investing a couple of hundreds of dollars. And those who were willing to see Shib as more than just a meme token smiled to the bank just a few months later. Interestingly, there are still people who only see Shib as a meme coin, while others, including many whales and exchanges, have only continued to accumulate. You alone get to decide which group you'll belong to, but make sure to do your own research before making any kind of decision. While you're thinking about it, you might want to consider the fact that someone was able to retire at 35 because he made an $8,000 investment in Shib. Apparently, back in 2021, this man, who was a supermarket warehouse manager at the time, was considering investing in cryptocurrency when he stumbled on the Shiba Inu white paper. He says that he was hooked by the read and decided to go ahead and make an investment, and he went in big. Instead of just investing a couple of dollars, he took a huge bet and invested a whopping $8,000. Thankfully for him, the risk paid off big time. And when his holdings hit $500,000, he decided that it was time to cash out. According to him, "I come from quite a poor background. I could never even have fantasized about having this much money, but it wasn't gone. It wasn't a dream." Shib was still on an upward trajectory, and soon this man's investment hit $1 million. He still has some money in Shib to this day, and has continued to believe that Shib still has a lot more potential. It's time for you to make your own decision concerning Shib, but this is not financial advice, so make sure to do your own research. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.